Well, my overall experience with Paradise Exteriors has gone reasonably well. I'm happy to say that my communication with them was pretty clear. They were pretty straightforward. We had a salesperson, the various teams that came out to not only measure but also to verify exactly how many windows I needed, and of course I got a lot of windows and a few doors done. So my overall experience was very good, I would say. Well, I love the new windows. It has elevated the house to a more modern facility, a lot safer because they're hurricane windows. So I'm excited by the fact that I'm feeling a lot more secure. I'm looking forward to my FPNL bill going down. And overall, I'm really satisfied that this is going to make the house a lot more durable and last a lot longer. The workmanship was excellent. The crew that came out that worked on the house did the demolition and the installation were efficient. I was told by I think it was Christine or one of the other Paradise Exterior folks that the work will be done in 2 days, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, like 2 days. But in fact, they were completed by the second day. Cleaned up everything, covered things like the furniture while they were working. Found them to be very efficient, and the work looks great.